Welcome to my grandpa's train. Today we're going to finally take a look at my Keystone Rocket set with the 21004 060 steam engine. Now I restored this locomotive quite a while ago and it came with a complete set, including the original cars with the rocket launcher and original rocket, the 805 gondola, and the 806 caboose. The caboose is very basic, no lights, no nothing, no chimney. Today I finished a couple of repairs to the tender. It was missing one of the pickup shoes, and it actually does perform better with that slider shoe attached properly. Doesn't spark. I re-cleaned all the wheels on the tender, so it has better electrical performance. The motor, I re-oiled that, and if you want to see the restoration video of that, if I remember, I will put a link up here in the corner, or I'll put it in the description. So as you can see, this locomotive runs pretty good, but we need to do one more thing. We'll run this one more time around the layout, and then we'll launch the rocket off the rocket launcher car. In order to do that, however, we need to run the locomotive in reverse, because this is one of the very few steam engines that were made by Flyer that had a coupler on the front. So we're going to utilize that. Let's take a look and see how it works.